Alright, so in this video, this is a quick video. I'll show you what you can do to check the org file syntax inside Emacs. So there is a facility, it is generally technically called linting. Org does have a linter. So I'll give you a brief demonstration of how you can check your org file inside Emacs. Okay, to do that, let me go to my Emacs client, which I have already opened. Let me open one of my rudimentary org file I have. So this is my one of the rudimentary org file. So for instance, I want to check whether the syntax is proper or not of this org file. Okay, so how do you do that? So I haven't bound a key because I use it very infrequently, but it's a damn good tool to have in your armory. So if you delve with org so frequently and depend on heavily, you could have used this tool much frequently. So you should bound with a key. I haven't done so, so I'm going to do it from the manually. Okay, so Emacs org lint, as you can see, it is there. Look at the mini buffer, right? If I press enter, so you can see it pops up a buffer on the right hand side. As you can see from the heading, it show you the line number and the trust and the warning. Okay, so if I go somewhere, I put my cursor on the line number 46 on the right hand side buffer, and if I press enter, look at the left hand side buffer. That entry has expanded. Okay, and on the right hand side buffer, it clearly shows there is a possible incomplete drawer. Okay, so if I come here again on the right hand side buffer, if I go here on the line number 33 and press enter, you see this is extremely helpful in a sense. It will provide you the clue where you are supposed to fix your org file. So org lint is a tool which comes along with org mode. Okay, so you can run org lint on any org file to find out where you need to fix the syntax or some other styling issue. It's very helpful, as I mentioned. If you live with org mode and do a lot of stuff, you should use this tool. Okay, so I have one more thing to show you. There is another thing which is called org lint report. Okay, again, I haven't bound a key, but it will provide you the inlining stuff. What I mean says inlining stuff, let me show you. And org lint, here comes. This is you can see there are several other options available to lint org linting. Okay, you could have explored all this stuff if org mode is your primary mode inside Emacs. So this might come in handy, but as you can see, I have highlighted one thing which I'm going to, it says org lint report mode. If I press enter, see, so what it does, it will provide you the inlining stuff of the actual file or file you are trying to linting. Okay, so this is expand everything, and you need to find it out where exactly the trouble is. So this is basically give you an elaborative view to your org file. Okay, so you can fix something which might not be right. So this is called org lint report mode. Okay, so this is a more elaborative version what I shown to you, org lint, which will open up a buffer and show you the line number and all this stuff. Okay, this is the inlining stuff. Okay, so I thought this tool will be greatly helpful if you are lean onto this mode inside Emacs heavily and try to do a lot of stuff with it. Okay, so I hope it will be useful. As I mentioned, there are other options too. As you can see, there are other stuffs too, and few of them has got key binded by default. Okay, so you could use this tool to verify your org related stuff, org files inside Emacs. Okay, I thought it will be useful. Thanks for watching.